Hey guys, Mira here. Lately, one of the things I've been trying to focus on more is learning Italian. And I think one of the biggest things that pushed me toward it was realizing how much more interesting language learning becomes when you actually care about the language itself instead of just trying to study it. I've tried different apps and methods before, and a lot of them felt more like playing little games on my phone rather than actually learning how to speak naturally. You end up recognizing random vocabulary words, but then somebody says a real sentence out loud, and your brain completely freezes. And that's kind of what led me to Pimsleur after using it for a while. The biggest difference I noticed was that it feels much more focused on actually hearing the language, speaking it out loud, and getting comfortable responding naturally, instead of just memorizing things. And that was really the first time learning Italian started feeling manageable instead of overwhelming. Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. Okay, so Pimsleur is a language learning program that's been around for over 50 years, and it's designed to help you speak a new language like Italian using its audio-based method. It focuses on real-life conversations. It was created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, a linguist and language expert, who really believed that learning a new language should be simple and accessible for everyone. The program originally started out with cassette tapes and CDs, which is kind of crazy to think about now, but it's come a long way since then. And today, Pimsleur offers lessons in over 50 different languages and has built out a full online platform, including an app and web version. And because it's built entirely around audio, that means you can do it while walking, driving, cooking, whatever fits into your day. Each lesson is around 30 minutes and built on a short, real-world conversation. You listen, repeat, and respond out loud as the speaker guides you through it piece by piece. And hey, if you're interested in learning Italian with Pimsleur, we have an affiliate link in the description. Using it earns us a small commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel. The very first Italian lessons focus on basic readings, common questions, and everyday scenarios, things like asking for directions or ordering food. And instead of memorizing them, you're practicing them in real time with guided audio. You can listen at any time, which makes it easy to stay consistent when it fits into your day like that. Another thing I realized pretty quickly is that you really don't need to study Italian for hours every day for it to start sticking. Even just doing one lesson consistently ends up being way more effective than trying to cram everything at once in 1 week. And getting comfortable talking is a little awkward at first, but it's a huge part of learning any language. The faster you stop worrying about saying everything perfectly, the faster you actually start improving. Another thing that makes Pimsleur stick is something called spaced repetition. It brings phrases back right when you're about to forget them. It sounds simple, but it works. Instead of forcing yourself to memorize, Pimsleur just brings things back into your brain naturally, almost the same way lyrics start getting stuck into your head after hearing them enough. Over time, you'll find yourself recalling phrases automatically, even if you haven't reviewed them in a few days. And because you're constantly responding out loud, you stop translating everything in your head and start reacting more naturally. After a week or two of consistent listening, try retelling what you've learned in your own words. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just repeat a phrase, recap a short story from the lesson, or even describe your day in basic Italian words. This activates your speaking muscles even more. You're going from passive understanding to actually producing the language. And that's where real growth happens. Write a few sentences, say them out loud, or even record yourself. It helps lock in what you've learned and exposes any words or patterns you still need to work on. Each lesson walks you through a short conversation. You'll hear native speakers, get prompted to repeat, and build your vocabulary as you go. It's less about memorizing and more about learning to think in Italian through interaction. That being said, if you're wondering how much it costs, Pimsleur actually does give you a 7-day free trial, so you can test it out and see that you actually like it before you commit to anything. And if you decide to continue, there are a couple of options. The lifetime plan costs around $150, and you get full access to the Italian course, including over 30 core lessons, quizzes, transcripts, and the pronunciation coach. Then there's the all-access plan costing about $21 a month, where you get every language in the app, not just Italian. So let's just say you want to learn Japanese next, you don't have to pay again. Also, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no pressure to commit if it doesn't work for your learning style. So if your goal is to actually speak Italian, to have conversations, to travel more comfortably, or to just feel more confident, then I would definitely recommend giving Pimsleur a try. It's hands down one of the easiest ways to fit language learning into a busy schedule, and most importantly, it works. And don't forget, you can find the affiliate link for Pimsleur down below, and if you use it, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. And of course, if you've got any questions about how it works, how I used it, or what to expect, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Good luck with your Italian learning journey, and I'll see you in the next one.